So this is going to be the first of many videos I plan on filming this year. This is just a resource for you and your student to use at home. This is going to show you parents what your students are working on, what they're expected to know and learn this week, and what they're going to be expected to do for a grade. They will be doing something like this by the end of the week. We are going to be working towards this all week. This is called a multiple representation chart. So I told the students that multiple means more than one, and representation is just another word for show. So we are showing how to represent a number more than one way. So students will be working on numbers up to 1,200. That is the highest we will ever go. Okay, we will never go any higher than 1,200. So here are some examples of what we will be practicing in class. Our multiple representation chart has 5 sections: standard form, which is how the number is written; pictorial representation, which is a picture; place value; expanded notation; and number in words. And we will talk about each one individually. Pictorial representation is going to be a picture. This is an example of pictorial representation. I have 1,000. So for 1,000, I am going to draw a square with a line in the corner. That represents 1,000. So I have 1,000 in my number. And then I have 100. 100 is just a square by itself. 1,100. Now I'm at my tens and I have 6 tens. So I'm going to draw sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 tens. Okay. The last part I'm going to draw are my ones. Ones are represented with dots. I have 3 ones, so I will draw 3 dots. This is a pictorial representation of 1,163. So now I'm going to move to my place value. I have 1,000. I'm sorry, over here. 1,100, 6 tens, 3 ones. So I broke down my number and it shows the value of each one. So this is not 1, this is 1,000. Okay, my expanded notation is just me expanding my number and making it bigger. So I start with my thousands. I have 1,000 plus 100 plus 60 plus 3. So I expanded out each section individually, and I have to add them together to make it 1,163. 1,160 and 3. Okay, so I have to write out each one individually. This also shows how much each one is worth. So this 1 is not worth 1, it is worth 1,000. And this one here is not worth 1, it is worth 100. And this 6 is worth 60. This 3 is worth 3 because it is in the ones place. So now we are going to write our numbers in words. Your student received a chart that looks like this. They have this in their journal, so if they need to know how to spell words, it is there for them. I do not expect them to write out, 20, 30, 1,000. It is here for them. So we are going to spell the words 1,163. 1,000 100 63. So again, students are going to have to read the word 1,163, and that's what they will come up with. Now their job is going to be to fill out this whole chart. This is what their grade is going to look like on Friday. They're just going to have different numbers to use. I will be posting something on Class Tag that you can print out at home for extra practice. If you would like a document and you're not on Class Tag, definitely email me for information on how to join Class Tag. If you would like the document emailed to you, please let me know. this information will be available so you can have extra practice at home. Please let me know if you have any questions. I hope to continue posting videos like this throughout the year, and so that you can see, you know, what your student is working on. And I hope you enjoy it, and I hope this helps. Thank you.